Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be short and simple. We're going to talk about the vaporization method of using essential oils in order to better our mental and physical health and well-being. So vaporizers, they basically work by heating up to evaporate the essential oil aroma and to release the aroma into the room, and then that way we would breathe in the aroma, which is gently diffused with water, and we would get the health benefits and the relaxing benefits that way. Now you can do the vaporization method by either using a ceramic burner with tea light candles. I use that method here in Finland. You can easily find the ceramic burners in all major stores, and there's also other methods as well. So you could also use electrical ceramic burners. You can use the traditional ones with candles, and you can use the electrical ones as well, and you can also use the humidifiers that way. So you would of course make sure you follow the guidelines and instructions by the brand, which are usually listed on the back of the package, and use essential oils that you know that you feel comfortable with, that you know that you enjoy the scent of, that bring you the effects that you would like. For example, when it comes to helping to clear out the sinuses, if you want to use the vaporization method, you can focus on essential oils such as tea tree and eucalyptus. If what you want is relaxation, you can focus on lavender and sandalwood, for example. That would be great. So you would start off by simply using about 4 to 5 drops of each essential oil, and that way make sure you don't use more than 2 essential oils so it doesn't become too overwhelming. And then you would also of course make sure you follow the instructions. Either add water to allow, if you're using a humidifier, or if you're using a ceramic burner, make sure to keep it away from children because it does contain candles and it is going to be very hot as well. So the essential oils that you could use, that I recommend when it comes to the general ones that I apply for the ceramic burner, is tea tree and lemon. These are amazing because what happens is they help to cleanse the air. They help to remove any disgusting, any unpleasant aroma, odors in the house, as well as a result of cooking, as a result of so many other things as well. If you've got pets in the house, the essential oil of tea tree and lemon are a lovely combination when it comes to removing unpleasant odors as well. And you are also free to choose whatever aroma that you feel comfortable with that creates the environment that you want. For example, if you want a relaxing environment, we said there's a blend of lavender and sandalwood, or you can even incorporate rose in there as well. So there is different ways to do the vaporization method. Either it's using the ceramic burner, the traditional way with the tea light candles, or electrical one, or even a humidifier, which is my favorite way to use that. And we've come towards the end of our video, so if you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe.